Alright, today I'll be doing a color change on the LED, and it's way too bright, so I'm gonna get it dimmer. So yeah, all we need is a different color LED. I'll be using a red one for the replacement, and a resistor. I glued the LED down. Let's get it out. There, that was easy. The screws are already out. There. This is 1000 ohms resistor. Okay, I gotta find a right resistance. One. There, I found the 1K. There. 1023 ohms. Great. So, we'll proceed. Okay, turn on the lights. Which one was it? Oh, damn it, I forgot. I got just the one. Okay. So the solar. What is that? Some kind of glue or something? I'm not sure, honestly. Ow. That stinks. Yeah, that's horrible. That smells horrible. This needs some time to cool, to heat up. Eventually it's gonna heat up. Come on. Not working. Yeah, it's not exciting. Oh my god. Great. Should be enough. Let it dry and we'll test it out. Cured it. Nice. Let's put it back together. Oh, it doesn't fit, doesn't it?
Hello there.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, it's really dark in here, but let's plug it in. Hey!
Robin and my car.
That's not bad at all. I don't know why is it so bright on the camera. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. Perfect. See ya.
Robin and my car.